This is the main interface of Spocket, the platform that allows you to easily upload and manage your dropshipping products. At the top, you can see your personal dashboard where you can manage your account settings and monitor your activity. Next, there is a navigation bar that allows you to search through all available products or browse different product categories efficiently. On this platform, you can also use filters to refine your search by shipping destination or the origin of products. This helps you quickly find items that are suitable for your store and target market. Below the search and filter options, some of the most popular products on Spocket are displayed, giving you a sense of trending items that customers prefer. The interface is very simple and intuitive, designed to make the workflow smooth and efficient. You can browse products, apply filters, and view detailed information about each item quickly. By understanding this layout, you can start setting up your dropshipping store faster and more effectively. Using Spocket in this way makes adding products and managing your store a straightforward and manageable process, helping you focus on growing your business with minimal hassle. Spocket pomoże Ci stworzyć sklep dropshippingowy w zaledwie 5 minut dzięki AI. Zyskaj dostęp do wysokiej jakości produktów z błyskawiczną dostawą od najlepszych dostawców z USA i Europy. Rozpocznij darmowy 14-dniowy okres próbny na stronie YB.Digital/drop i zrewolucjonizuj swój e-commerce.